infant is the most vulnerable of victims. And in this case, her caregiver was her father. Instead of care, this defendant delivered unrelenting violence that caused prolonged suffering before death.
Of my family, and that truly weighs on me every single day.
The defendant, Andrew Kammerer, appearing to get emotional while delivering a statement to presiding judge Kevin Miles Tuesday morning.
I'll never be able to learn from them, to absorb their youth, and to share them the information that I've learned over the time of my life.
The 34-year-old Goshen Township father pled guilty to killing his 4-month-old daughter.
You're taking responsibility, you pled guilty, but the statements that you make are very self-centered, and I think lack genuine insight into the harm you've caused.
Court documents show in 2024, Kammerer called 911 to report his infant had fallen from a changing table. However, an autopsy concluded the injuries on the baby were inconsistent with his story.
The deceased infant suffered catastrophic injuries, including brain hemorrhaging, optic nerve and retinal hemorrhaging consistent with violent shaking,
multiple broken bones, a lacerated liver, and external injuries.
These are not the injuries of an accident. They are the unmistakable result of rage, force, and cruelty inflicted on a helpless baby.
Prosecutors say the victim's twin sister also had injuries consistent with abuse. Prosecutors believe the abuse started a couple months after their birth.
It is my belief that Defendant Kammerer was not prepared for the overwhelming task of caring for 2 prematurely born infants with medical complications.
Kammerer's defense attorney claims his actions may have spawned from frustration and fatigue.
Mr. Rapp gave me probably 20 to 30 references saying glowing things about how nice a person you are. Well, those are the people when you're feeling overwhelmed, when you have twin daughters that you can't care for. These are the people that you should have reached out to, but you didn't. And as a result of that, you're going to serve a significant period of your life in prison, as you should.
The judge also pointed to recidivism concerns, saying because Kammerer has a criminal conduct history and because he's the father of the children, it makes him more likely to hurt other kids that he has no familial ties to. Again, he was sentenced to 19 years behind bars.